Even if she bends over, I don't think she's going to be able to get my feet off the ground.
Well, she's like about as tall as I am.
Come here and stop
it. If I can do it, she can.
Oh, God. You're not supposed to. Don't limp on me. No limp noodles.
Oh, and I'm recording this shit. Fuck the pictures.
No limp noodle.
This is going on YouTube.
Nickname in her phone, Limp Noodle.
She's full.
Limp Noodle.
Oh, she wants to grab my titty. Okay.
Oh.
Oh,
God.
I have lift people all fucking day.
Oh, shit.
I for sure thought I was going head first, though.
Alright, did pull my back. Yes.
Come here. Did y'all read that bulletin where I said the last heavy thing I picked up was a 103-year-old lady?
Old lady at that. Wow, Whitney, that was a very interesting look on your face.
Don't bend down.
You were squatting with her. It's so funny.
Don't squeeze too hard.
Don't squeeze the Charmin.
Okay, I need a bottom pop.
How do I do that?
Right a little lower.
Grab her around her crotch.
Hey? That was funny. I think I just screamed a whistle. That's great.
Oh my God.
Hey, short people.
Stand in the chair.
Breathe. I can't. I'm recording all of this.
Okay. Wow.
Come on.
Okay.
I have faith in you.
1, 3.
Okay.
Wait, put my back. I've never had my back popped. I might trip out on you. I've never done this before.
Oh.
What's that? McDonald's.
Wow.
What do I do?
Whitney needs to move. That's what needs. They're gonna.
Please don't hurt me.
You want to fly into the door, Whitney?
Oh my God, dear God, dear God. Oh,
Oh, she slipped.
April, you have to relax, otherwise it doesn't work.
Okay. Put your feet together. Oh.
Wow. Just relax.
I love you, Kayla.
Breathe. Relax.
Nothing's happening. It was a fun ride.
You got a crotch shot, though.
I thought about it. I was like, oh, no.
It was a fun ride, but nothing happened.